This is the Yo Male Fertility Home Test. I found this really easy to use. The instructions were very clear. And what I really like about this is that you can test at home without having to go visit the doctor's office in those really awkward rooms. It is 97% accurate, as claimed by the box here. Looking at the included instruction manual, these performance claims were done after certain studies, and when professionals completed it, the correct results were obtained 97% of the time. So that's pretty good. So I trust this product. It worked really, really well. Inside the box, it comes with the device itself, which connects to a USB. Once you connect that, you can download the app and follow the instructions. It comes with a little cup to collect your sample. And then it also includes this powder which liquefies the sample, which takes about 10 minutes. After that has been liquefied enough, you use the pipette to squeeze a couple of drops onto this dot, and then you just slide it right into this device. And then you get a really cool video out of it. You actually get to see your little swimmers. After it analyzes it, it tells you what your motility is, how fertile you are. It compares you to other men that have fathered children, and it also gives you tips and tricks on how to increase your fertility in general. So it will give you a lot of analytics and how well your swimmers are doing, and whether you need to probably contact your doctor. This device is FDA approved, and the video is private. It gets emailed directly to you, which you can share with your doctor or partner if you're trying to conceive. But yeah, I really like this, and I hope this was helpful.